This is a fun problem. It tells us that changing the pH from 1 to 3 does what to the hydrogen ion concentration? As I told you elsewhere, H plus, the hydrogen ion concentration, or proton ion concentration, is equal to 10 raised to the negative pH. So once again, if I start out at pH 1, that gives me a concentration of H plus. And if I raise the pH to 3, that gives me a different concentration of H plus. What numbers do I end up getting here? Well, if you throw that into your calculator, this ends up being 0.1, and this ends up being 0.001. So raising the pH from 1 to 3 does what to the concentration of H plus? Well, it's definitely making it smaller, but by how much? Well, as I go from 0.1 to 0.001, I'm decreasing the number. This is 0.001 is a smaller number than 0.1, but by what factor? Is it by 10, by 20, by 50? Well, yeah, it is by 100. So changing the pH, raising the pH from 1 to 3 decreases the H plus concentration by 100. Now, hopefully that makes sense. The lower your pH, the more acidic you're getting. That means you have a larger concentration of H plus. The higher your pH, the less acidic you're getting, and the less amount of H plus you have.